Welcome to Ami's Cooking. I'm Ami. Hi friends, today I'll show you how to make masala tea in microwave. It's just very easy and simple with very few ingredients. It only takes few minutes and it's so refreshing. So let me show you how to make masala tea in microwave. I took about half cup of water in a microwave safe bowl and add about half teaspoon of ginger paste in it and about quarter teaspoon cardamom powder. Stir and microwave for about 2 minutes. In 2 minutes the water almost boiled. Now we're gonna add half cup of milk in it and let it boil for another 2 minutes. The milk is really boiling. Look at the masala tea. I will keep it for another 30 seconds. In the ready milk and water mixture, I'm gonna be adding tea leaves. If you don't have these kind of loose tea leaves, you can always use the tea bags. Just half teaspoon of tea leaves. Let the tea sit for about 2 minutes so that all the tea leaves infuse the color and the flavor. I'm adding about 1 sweetener in it. You can add sugar or any other sweetener you like. Mostly sugar or the sweetener would taste the best with this masala tea. Strain the masala tea so that the tea leaves will not come in the tea. You see, my refreshing masala tea is ready. Look at the color, it's just so perfect. My masala tea in microwave. So refreshing, so delicious and so refreshing. My rest of the afternoon gonna be awesome because my masala tea is so good. Please do try my easy recipe of masala tea and enjoy. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.